Apple glasses are likely to be one of the most sought-after must-have gadgets when they are released, and here are some reasons why. Innovation. Apple glasses represent a major technological innovation, combining augmented reality and artificial intelligence with a wearable device. This technology is still in its early stages, and Apple glasses could be one of the first devices to showcase the potential of AR and AI in a consumer product. Apple's brand. Apple is known for its high-quality products and innovative technology, and its reputation is likely to attract a large customer base. Apple glasses are likely to become a status symbol and a must-have gadget for those who want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest technology. Versatility. Apple glasses have the potential to be used for a wide range of applications, including gaming, entertainment, education, healthcare, and more. This versatility makes them appealing to a broad audience, and they could be used by both individuals and businesses. Convenience. Apple glasses offer a hands-free and portable experience, which can be more convenient than using a traditional device such as a smartphone or tablet. With Apple glasses, users can access information and interact with the digital world without having to physically hold a device. Integration. Apple glasses are likely to be seamlessly integrated with other Apple products and services, such as Siri, Apple Music, and iCloud. This integration can provide a more streamlined and cohesive experience for users, making the glasses even more appealing. Apple glasses have the potential to be a game-changing device that could become one of the most sought-after must-have gadgets on the market. With their innovative technology, Apple's brand reputation, versatility, convenience, and integration, Apple glasses are likely to appeal to a broad audience and become a status symbol for those who want to stay ahead of the curve with the latest technology.